welcome back. All right, now this video is going to be about a rodeo lasso with an inside underarm turn for the lady. So again, very similar, but different for the lady, okay? So we're gonna give you two versions as far as the guy's footwork. All right, so let's start off with this one. My back to you, ready, and slow, quick, quick, 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 slow. Nicely done. All right, let's put the ladies back to you. This time, gentlemen, I'm changing my footwork. Ready, and slow, quick, quick, 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 slow. Nice. So again, I'm changing weight on that second one. The first one, I'll hold my footwork, kind of give a little styling. All right. So go back, practice this. Go back to your private lesson style videos if you need more detail. Okay. So other than that, practice and then come on back for the next pattern.